Good morning, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little idea that I had in my head to try and create an abstract beach scene using the ocean inspired colours and added my interpretation of an abstract beach scene. So as you'll see, it kind of come together. Then I'll explain and jump in when I need to, but this was just my base coat and it was a very pale grey, so I'm just pushing that all over my canvas, and obviously that little dryer helps to kind of even it out, and then I'll layer my colours. Just starting to layer the colours which I've got on the screen, the colours that I used. So I want to keep it minimalistic, but I definitely want it ocean inspired. So let's see how I go. Well, at this stage, I was very kind of, it was definitely abstract beach themed. I was all over the place and wasn't real happy with the end result. So as you will see, if you keep on watching, you will see that I started to do some more work on it and completely change it. But yeah, it was, I couldn't get what was in my head onto the canvas. So it was kind of very frustrating day for me in the art room, but you have days like that. I mean, the funny thing was my husband walked in and said, "Oh, that's beautiful." And I looked at him and rolled my eyes. He said, "What are you rolling your eyes for? It's gorgeous." So I don't know, different strokes for different folks, but just wait on and I'll try and improve it. So as you've just seen, I completely went rogue on it and put all of those colours in the Wiggles pattern, and now I'm doing some swiping. I did get some absolutely gorgeous cells in that blue. I'll just see if I can bring them up a little bit closer for you. So as you know, the balloon is my favourite tool, absolute favourite. It brought up some beautiful effects in this particular piece. Now I actually love it. As you can see, it kind of looks like lots of bird heads in there. I've got different breeds of birds, I reckon, but the movement and the joy I feel in it now is good. I'm happy, Jen. I hope you guys are all going well, and I will see you again tomorrow.